What is going on, you guys? Ultimate Collector Toto here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Chucky doll news. Yes, guys, today we got some more amazing Chucky doll news. Now, as you can see right here, you guys, Scream Factory is releasing a 4K Ultra HD / Blu-ray, Child's Play 1, 2, and 3, 4K Ultra HD Blu-rays, and which is very cool. Now you can buy these separately, or you can buy it in a bundle, which comes with some sort of postcards. I think this is it also comes with posters, and it comes with this amazing Neca limited edition burned Chucky figure from Child's Play 1988. Look how awesome this is, you guys. Now the figure is set to get released in late 2022, but the bundle without the figure is set to release, I believe, in August 2022 this year, which is very amazing. The artwork is beautiful. Now I don't know if they're going to release I don't know if the Blu-ray is gonna have bonus features and deleted scenes and behind the scenes. I mean, that would be cool, since I do believe Scream Factory also released a Child's Play 1 that came with a Neca good guy figure that had deleted scenes and behind the scenes and stuff, extra bonus features, which I did release on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram page at _collector_2. So go check that out if you haven't already. But this is very cool that they're doing another Child's Play 1 about 4K Ultra HD and a Blu-ray. Said they will also come out with a Blu-ray one, and they will going to be doing one for Child's Play 2 and Child's Play 3, which is amazing. Like, I wonder if they're gonna do one for Bride of Chucky, maybe Seed of Chucky, Curse of Chucky, or Court of Chucky. Heck yeah, even the TV show. But the TV show already has its own steelbook and DVD and Blu-ray. So yeah, but this is absolutely amazing. I really can't wait for more news. You can buy this a bundle or just the figure alone and stuff like that. You can buy this at Shout Factory website, Scream Factory website. But act quick, because they may sell out. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, guys, to keep on collecting. Bye.
Subscribe, damn it. I'll be back. I always come back, and so should you, you moron.